Welcome to this episode of Labor of Love. Today we are going to be a signs and markings technician. Let's get started. Before heading out with the signs technicians, the day began inside the city's sign shop, where technician Leo demonstrated the large vinyl cutter. It's a machine used to precisely cut the material for city signs. It's making a stop sign right now? What do y'all do? I'm just kidding.
Okay, so we finish this stop sign, then we cut it here. Let me show you what to do.
Now it was my turn.
Count.
Okay. How sharp is this? I'm kind of scared.
Oh, very sharp.
Okay.
Yeah, don't poke yourself with that.
There you go.
There we go.
Should I like wear this? My name's Stacy. What?
Okay.
I was hands off for the rest of the process, letting Leo do what he does best and has been doing for decades. You left one piece. I'll get it for you, don't worry.
Yeah.
Next, we head out with signs and markings technician Elliot, who's showing me how to change a stop sign.
Yeah, you want to pop one of the rivets up? So then you grab these right here. This.
I've never rivet popped before, so.
All right, so
You got a rivet pop.
I'll do the top one and you can do the bottom one.
Okay.
Take your hammer and just hit it. You just hear that little,
Yeah?
jingle.
What was
That means that middle piece fell out the back.
And went where?
Oh, it's just in the pole.
In the pole.
It's gone forever.
Okay.
You don't have to go super hard. You can hit as many times as you want. I mean, a little bit
A
harder.
little harder than that. Is it done?
Nope.
Nope. Okay.
You'll hear that noise, that jingle. There you go.
I did it. Woo! Next, the old sign gets twisted off.
He's little.
Twist! Twist! I can't do it. Let's sub in the professionals. Oh, you had to use a little I was like, oh, it's gonna twist. Time to hammer a new rivet back in. I'm missing it. Oh
Nope.
no, I
No,
left
you're
a
doing
scuff. Okay.
There you go.
Is that it?
Yes, ma'am.
1/15 measure. Okay. I only got like 4 scuff marks on the actual sign. Okay.
Nobody will see this.
Nope.
Quickly.
I tell everybody I did this. Elliot's favorite part of the job is installing new sign poles using the hydraulic hammer to drive them 3 feet into the ground. Wait, are we gonna do this today? Do you have one to replace like that, or no?
I want to
Okay.
replace them. That's why we.
Dang it. That happens when they get engineering requests for a full replacement. Someone hits it? That's what he was saying in there.
Yes,
Someone hits it.
Install it. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Don't give me any ideas. Back inside the sign shop, we asked Elliot what he likes most about the job.
I enjoy just the independence and being able to work and get paid by working by myself out in the field.
Elliot's mom works in the city's police department, so he already knew Team Plano was the place to be.
I worked construction before coming here, and this is like the best thing for me with the knowledge I have. And I mean, Plano, they take care of their people.
He appreciates the stability he has here in the city. Plus,
It's a fun, creative job that we all enjoy ourselves here. And Plano's awesome.
yay! Thanks for watching this episode of Labor of Love. Stay tuned, we'll have plenty more to come. For now, I'm Stacy Rogers. This is Labor of Love with the City of Plano. Bye.